Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Walaikum
Assalamualaikum, miss.
salam.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam, dear. Okay, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Everyone, take out your language copy and workbook 6. All the girls kindly cover the hat. Rafe, you are not visible, bete. Vania, open camera. All the students kindly open camera. Vania, come on, do recitation today.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul a'udzu birabbil nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min syarril waswasil khannas, alladzi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas, minal jannati wan nas. Sadaqallahul azim.
Sadaqallahul Azim, Subhanallah, bete. Okay, let more students join the class. I'll be starting it. Have you all opened book 6, workbook 6, page 47? And language copy? We will be doing exercise e-learning about language. This we have to finish today. Kindly open workbook 6. Exercise e-learning about language.
Excuse me, miss. We have to
Yes.
do in copy.
Definitely, bete. The line is not given in the book.
Teacher, I have joined late. Please tell me the page number of our book.
47. I just have started it, bete. Okay, do make page in this manner. The language copy you should take out.
मिस कॉपी पे वर्क करूंगा काम नहीं होगा बुक में होगा या कॉपी पे
Bete, open workbook 6 from book. We will be doing the copy. Take out language copy.
ओके
I hope it's clear to everyone. Okay. We are doing workbook 6, page number 47. Okay. Look at that. In that, the first question is, what are the 4 form of sentences? Who will answer? Yes, come on, raise the hand and tell me what are the 4 forms of sentences I have taught you in fall term. Answer me, please. Yes, Sinan.
Teacher, assertive sentence, imperative sentence, assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence.
Very good. So everyone write in the copy of yours. You will write question from the book. I'm not writing it. You will write the question from the book. Write 4 forms here by yourself. You all will write by yourself. I'm not writing it. Write by yourself. I hope you all know. Write question from the workbook 6, page number 47. Okay. In the second question, they ask about what is an abstract noun? Who will answer me? What is abstract noun? G. Reja, answer me. What is abstract noun?
Teacher, abstract noun is a noun that cannot be pre be revised using uh, of the five senses like
No, you are giving incorrect definition, bete. G. All the students kindly open the camera. Abdullah Danish. Okay, yes, Fabna Mohsin. You wish to ask something?
No, Miss. Abstract noun is a noun that abstract noun name qualities, feelings, action, or ideas.
Very good. Abstract noun is a noun which we cannot touch. These are feelings, expression, and emotions. Am I clear to everyone? Very good, Fatma Mohsin. And good try, Reja Betim. Vania, Umaira, Ali Salman, Reja. If you don't open camera, Dania, Khalid, and Abdullah Danish, I'll be removing you from the class within a second. Everyone write in your message your attendance. Okay. I hope you all know what are abstract noun. You will be writing by yourself. Heading abstract noun. Definition you will be doing by yourself. I'm not writing over here. You will write. Okay. Question number 3. Give 2 examples of each of the following. Here you have to give example of 2 examples of all these words what are mentioned. So we have to make a table over here. How many are here? 4, na? So we have to make now 8. Okay. Okay, imperative sentence, the first form. The second is Then declarative. Mama taking class down. आप ही के पास ही go. Okay, these are the forms of sentences. Question you will be writing from the book. Abstract nouns are the nouns which we cannot touch. जिसे हम छू नहीं सकते. Like feelings, expressions. But we'll go from here. Expressions and emotions. I'm taking class. Go from here. Very buri baat. Go. Take it and go. Okay. Abstract noun. This is. You will be writing over here what are abstract noun like. Now example. Sadness. ठीक है. Happiness. Okay. Okay, who joined the class too late? Okay. In the third one, you have to write conjunction, proper noun, and pronoun. Now adverb example, any adverb you can write over here. For example, slowly. Efficiently, any adverb you can write. Proper noun, any word that specifies something. Conjunction that join the words. Then you have to create sentence of this word. Like for example, slowly. She walks slowly. Yes, Fatma Mohsin.
Miss, I want to ask that we have to write this in our language copy.
Definitely better do in the language copy. Are you all doing with me? Khalid, Arif, Reja, Umaira. I told you open camera and show the copy to me. What are you doing right now? Asghar. Otherwise, I'm removing you. Show me copy, Arif. I won't copy, Arif. Show me that. And all the student did not. All the students did not give attendance to me. Dania, Asghar, Saqib, Rahim, Zahid. G dear, Rafi. Rafi, unmute now.
मिस आप दोबारा स्क्रीन शेयर कर दें.
Definitely, I'll be doing it, beta. Yes, Amna, ask the question.
Miss, we also can write this like आपने जैसे लिखा था वैसे हम लोग भी लिख रहे हैं हम लोग भी
Definitely, beta. Question you will be writing from the verb book 6. And how you have to write answer, I'm telling you. Yes, who will give example of adverb? Which sentence? Quickly. Raise hand. Zahid, share 2 adverbs quickly. And sentences as well. Zahid. Saqib, I'm removing you from the class. Ji, bete Zahid, share the sentence.
Miss badly,
Very good. Sentence.
sadly,
Now use these words in sentences.
uh,
Quickly, bete, all of you. Yes, Abhiya, make sentences of these words which Zahid give.
Miss, which
Badly and slowly. Sadly. Frame sentences of
sadly,
these words.
Miss, sadly or slowly?
Any you can make adverb sentence I want.
Okay. He cut the piece of paper carefully.
Very nice. Okay. Now, proper noun example, who will give?
Miss, can I?
Rafi, did you get it? How to do? Rafi, did you understand how to do out things?
मिस
Ji.
आप मतलब थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दो, एक चीज लिखनी है.
The first question is this. Question you will be writing from the book.
यस मिस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर लिखना है मुझे.
I'll be sharing in WhatsApp group as well. Abstract noun. And the third question we have to, okay, write it everyone. You can write in your own words as well. Whatever you understand. Quickly, Beta, we have to finish this page today. Okay. I hope you understand now. Now, question number 4. In that, you will be writing the forms that are mentioned. Question number 4. So, here we have to make table as well. 5 words are here now. Okay. 5. It's enough. Okay. The first word is go. Then free. Then India. Put. I shall do it. Okay, here you have to write past tense. So past tense will be went. Did you all understand how to do out things?
Miss,
So teacher, please are stuck now. कैसे हो
Freedom,
सकता है?
freedom, beta. Yeah, I want all the students mute their mics, please. I did not restrict you because you can ask question to me. So you should mute yourself, please. Unless you have to ask the question. Okay. It is mentioned over here India. So इसको change कर ले, पाकिस्तान को पाकिस्तानी कर ले. ठीक है? We are skipping this word. India का Indian होगा. ठीक है? Indian people or all that. But I'm not writing the word India. But I told you. Question you will be writing from the book. Have you all done this? I have to mark attendance as well. Quickly, beta, let me bring the file of attendance. Kindly do out. Rafi, you wish to add something? Okay, I'm marking attendance.
Miss, आप क्वेश्चन 5 करवाएंगी?
जी बेटे?
Question number 5.
No, only 4 we are doing today.
Okay.
टीचर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 दिखाएगा मुझको एक बार.
This you will fill by yourself. The complete list you will be doing by yourself. ठीक है ना dear? Example and sentence you will be making by yourself. Do it now.
Okay.
1, 2. This is 3. And then 4. Okay, please give the attendance to me. I'm calling name. You all should say present teacher. Ji. This is question 2 now.
Okay.
Question I did not write. Question you will be writing from the book.
Okay.
But you have to write question, bete. Okay. Rafe, are you present? Please, everyone, speak present teacher.
Yes. Present, Miss.
Abdullah Farhan. Okay. Abia Imran.
Present, teacher.
Amir Hamza Amsal. Anaya. Dania Fatma Mohsin.
Present teacher.
Present.
Dania is present. Anaya is present.
Yes, present teacher.
Where are you, Anaya?
Teacher, present teacher.
Okay, I found you. Dania present. Fatma Mohsin present. Maham. Okay, Mohammad Danish. Mois. Sinan. Sinan, the whole week you were present now?
Yes, teacher, I was present.
Okay, Rafi, the whole week you were present now? Because it's marked present with me.
Yes, Miss.
Abhi Imran, the whole week you were present?
No, teacher, I was absent on Wednesday, I think.
Okay, fine. Anaya,
Yes.
have you taken the class on Tuesday?
Teacher, I have taken all week.
Okay, the whole week. Dania, Fatma Mohsin, Maha,
Yes.
Danish, Mois, Sinan, Zahid, Zayan.
Present, teacher.
Zayan did not have. Muntaha. Muntaha. No. Reja.
Present, teacher.
Mazin. Asghar.
Present teacher.
Asghar तो होते ही नहीं क्लास में. Never do the work on time. Where are you, Asghar? Show me. Are you doing work or not? Rahim.
Present.
Show me your language copy, Asghar. What are you doing right now?
मेरी मिस.
जी आपकी.
अच्छा. अभी तो क्या मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया, अभी काम करूंगा जब क्लासेस खत्म हो जाएंगे.
But you should be with me, na? You should do with me. Why you are not doing it during the class time?
आपकी तस्वीरें भेज दूंगा मिस करके.
Okay, I'll be waiting for that. I really request all the students kindly complete the classwork with me in online class. ठीक है ना? We are taking online classes doesn't mean that you will not complete the classwork in class. Please, during the online class time, you should do the work with me. Okay, Rahim.
I went.
Thank God, I was thinking you went somewhere.
No, teacher, I am in class.
Okay, Vania,
Present.
you also went somewhere? No, ठीक है जी. Abdullah Danish, he definitely went somewhere. छू मंतर हो जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स ना. But he joined the class. Okay, Alisha Batul,
Present teacher.
Amna Sheikh,
Present teacher.
Arif, Aryan,
Present teacher.
Aryan, Hiba,
Present teacher.
Humaira,
Sir. Present miss.
Humaira. Humaira is present in the class.
Yes.
शारा साहब मरी में खड़े हुए हो, इतनी जैकेटें पहनी हुई हैं.
Asghar, no chit chat. Please avoid it. If he is feeling cold, so what's wrong with you? आप भी पहन लें 2-3.
टीचर असगर आग के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है.
Bad habit, Arif. Very bad. Okay, Mubashir Mumtaz is absent today. Okay, Ali Salman, Khalid, Saqib, Saqib, Saqib joined the class and went somewhere. Usman, Shahraza, Mushke Fatma, Saad Masood, Yusra, Zainab Asif Zuberi. Did you all understand the work? Any problem in that? Complete the table by yourself. Again, I'm sharing the screen. What we have done today. We have done workbook 6, page number 47, exercise E. Look at that carefully. In the first question, they have asked about the forms of sentences. So we wrote all 4 names. These are forms of sentences. Then in the second question, they ask about what is an abstract noun. So we have done about abstract noun. In the third question, they ask about the examples, 2 examples of adverb, conjunction, and proper noun and pronoun. So this you will be completing by yourself. The row and column I told you how to make. In the fourth question, they have asked about the past tense of go, abstract noun of free, or adjective of Pakistan, sorry, adjective of India they have asked about. So I told you it's Indian. The plural of foot, it's feet. I shall do. I shall do it. It can't, yeah. Okay, it's down. Okay. The space. I shall do it question. How will I make the question? Shall I do it in this manner? So take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everyone. The class ended over here. Fi aman Allah.